Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Abiola Adedirom, a private wealth expert and a family business advisor. On this channel, we talk about everything on wealth creation, how to build generational wealth that actually lasts. What if I told you that your bank account could actually be way fatter right now than what it is, if only you stopped wasting money without even realizing it? And if you're tired of working so hard, but you're still feeling like you have little to show for it, then today's video is for you, because I'm going to be breaking down 7 sneaky ways you're throwing money away, and more importantly, how to stop it. And trust me, some of these would actually shock you, because even high earning, smart professionals still fall into those traps as well. So grab a notebook and promise yourself that you're going to stop these bad money habits. Let's dive into the conversation. Number one money habit is lifestyle inflation. You know that raise that makes you poorer, right? You got a big raise or you closed a big deal. Exciting, right? But suddenly you're upgrading everything. New cars, high-end gadgets, fancier restaurants. Instead of growing your wealth, your expenses are growing. So despite earning more, you're still living from one paycheck to paycheck until you're broke. How can you fix this? Every time your income increases, invest at least 50% of that raise first. Upgrade your lifestyle only after you have built assets that can pay for that upgrade. Adopt the 2-year rule. If you wouldn't have bought something that you are buying now 2 years ago, there's a high chance that you don't need it. The rich don't only earn more, they make sure that their money works harder for them. The number 2 thing that you're doing that is taking money out of your pocket is what I call the convenience trap. Paying for laziness. You order food delivery 5 times a week. You take Uber everywhere. You subscribe to 5 streaming services, but you only use 2. These little charges add up very fast. 10K here, 20K there, all of it suddenly adds up and you've spent a fortune without even realizing it. So, how can you fix this? Prep your meals at least once a week. That will save you some money and time. Limit ride-hailing apps, and you can only use them for emergencies, but not daily. Audit your subscriptions. If you haven't used any subscription in a month, chances are that you don't need it. So cancel it. All right? So every time you pay for convenience, invest an equal amount in the future. Try it for 1 month and see the difference. Number 3 habits that you're doing is ignoring inflation and bad debt, which are silent wealth killers. You feel great when you have 5 million naira sitting in your savings account. But is it really working for you? The problem is inflation is quietly eating away your money's value. Another one is high interest debt, like your credit cards, buy now, pay later, or payday loans. They keep you trapped in a circle of payments. How can you fix this? Invest aggressively in stocks, real estate, or index funds to grow your money faster than inflation. Kill all those bad debts ASAP. If you're paying interest on them, they are definitely draining you. Don't just save, invest. Saving alone is losing money safely. If inflation is over 30% and your savings account is earning 5%, you're losing at least 25% every month or every year. So let your money work for you. Number 4 thing that is taking money out of your pocket is thinking shorter instead of thinking long term. You get a lump sum of cash and your first thought is, what can I buy? Instead of, how can I multiply this? Too many people live on instant gratification, which keeps them financially stagnant. Follow the 70-30 rule instead. Invest at least 70% of any unexpected income before spending a dime. Think in decades, not months. Every rich person plays the long game. Turn your active income into passive income and let money flow in while you're sleeping. The question is not, can I afford it? Rather, it is, can I afford not to invest first? Number 5, buying status instead of assets. You want to look successful, so you buy designer clothes, the latest gadget, luxury cars that depreciate very fast. These are liabilities, not assets. And trust me, nobody cares about your Gucci belts if you're broke. So, what should you do instead? Invest in appreciating assets first. If it doesn't pay you, think twice before you buy it. Delay luxury purchases until your passive income can pay for them. Real wealth is not flashy, it is freedom. The real flex is owning your time. Number six, overpaying taxes. Because you're not planning right, you're paying too much tax. You are a high earning professional, but you pay too much taxes because you don't have the right tax strategies. Without tax strategies that are efficient or your investments being tax efficient, you're giving away more than you should in form of taxes. Instead, use tax efficient investments like real estate, pension, or tax-free savings. Work with a tax strategist, and that small change can actually save you millions over time. Keep track of your deductible expenses. Why give government free money? It's not about how much you earn, like I always say, but how much you keep. Number seven, relying on one income stream. Your salary or your business is the only income source that you have. So, what if it stops? Only one income stream is one step from financial disaster. Instead, start a side also. Add something else to what you're doing that will generate income. Invest in cash flowing assets like rental properties or dividend paying stocks. Monetize your expertise. Sell a course. Offer consulting. Create digital products. Every millionaire has at least 3 to 7 income streams. How many do you have? Now tell me, which of these 7 money mistakes are you guilty of? Drop a comment below. I promise I won't judge you. If you're serious about growing your wealth, then start taking action with everything I have shared with you. Remember to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe. Turn on the notifications. Until next time, spend smart, invest wisely, and build lasting wealth. Bye for now.